Alright, so last time we were out here, I was having a lot of failures. I think that they were almost all magazine related, so we're out here again today. I brought a few different magazines. I have one from some South African gun that's been converted to work in the M-11-9. This one's supposed to hold like 32 rounds. I think I got like 25 in there, or 23, because somebody wanted to use it as a hammer. So like right there, you can see it looks like they just beat it on something so that follower won't go down in there enough for me to put the correct amount of rounds in there. Brought a Pro Mag out. So everybody talks crap about Pro Mag, and for some reason these all work very amazing in my other M11 that actually feeds and has no issues. So these work real good in that. Never had one issue at all. These are very tight in the new gun that I have assembled, and you can see on there where it wears. I think mainly it's wearing on the back. Just the grip frame is a little bit too small. Then I brought out a factory Cobray one, a little 12 rounder. So this is all the ammo I brought, and a little barrel extension if I want to hold on to it. That's all the ammo I brought, so we'll see what happens. Got a target set up, not that we're out here for shooting for accuracy, but just want to have one. Oh, and we're filming on my iPhone taped to my tripod because my Drift S camera won't work. Using that because my GoPro won't work. Eventually I'll get a better camera and we'll figure something out. The amazing thing about using the Drift or the GoPro is the wide field of view. The iPhone doesn't really have that, so I'm gonna sit you right about here and see what happens. It's also hard to angle this thing correctly because of the way that the phone is taped on there. Sorry, I know that's kind of crooked, but I think that's the best we're gonna get. All right, here we go. First one is the South African magazine. Can you see that? Hold on, let me. We're just gonna act like maybe that was my fault. So there's that one. Into the woods she goes. All right, try this again. All the way back and let go. Awesome. Let's try a different magazine. Old Cobray 12 rounder. We're good, hopefully. So we weren't shooting for groups, but here's what we got. We're gonna try this guy again. Got her. Safety works. Put this little guy on. Just want something a little bit more to hold on to. Got her. Took five rounds out of the Promax. I want to do some slow-mo. Yeah, this guy, it's hard to get in there. And you can see where the latch is, so she's not even all the way in there and it's already like, oh, got it. She fed with no problem. Might help if I take the safety off, don't judge me. You really got to hold a hand on that barrel extension if you want it to not come loose. Let's make sure we're getting all this on film. Got her. All right, so I'm gonna put these 5 rounds in that Cobray one and we're gonna do some slow-mo. Hold on.